I always like steal something from Shalene as well. She always says insurance is more simple and easy than you think.
So it's going to be double trouble.
That was a surprise response.
Hey, everybody. My name is Richard. Welcome to another edition of Protection, Finance, and More. This is the Q&A showdown where I talk about protecting yourself and your loved ones financially. And from time to time, I touch other subjects. Today, we have another Richard on board. So it's going to be double trouble. And we have Shalene Kim. Please, Shalene, introduce yourself. Well, first, Richard, introduce yourself, and then Shalene.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm Richard Burgess. I'm the regional sales director with Everest, of course. And yes, great to be here. Thanks for having me on, Richard. Yeah, this is going to be double trouble today, and then I'll pass over to you, Shalene.
Hi, everyone. It's good to see all of you again. I'm Shalene Kim, the Senior Managing Director at Everest, covering Eastern Canada. And you've seen me before on the video, so I'm really excited to be back again. Thanks, Richard.
Great. First question, with all the years you've been, I'm going to ask Richard. Richard, you could answer that first question. With all the years you've been in the industry, in the life insurance industry, what message would you have to people?
Yeah, I would say the best way to answer that is that old saying does ring true. Really, the best time to buy insurance was, of course, yesterday. And of course, that does ring true for all types of insurance, like, of course, your home and auto insurance, but those really just protect you personally, in my opinion. Of course, life insurance, that's going to protect the ones that you love most. My other way to answer that question, I would say, is just to become financially educated. I always like steal something from Shalene as well. She always says insurance is more simple and easy than you think. So if you are thinking about those things, if you're worrying about if you're not covered, if you're not prepared, or if your fares aren't in order, there are resources out there. You can seek them out. Basically, go find your WFG agent and they'll help you out.
Okay. Shalene, can you add on top of that?
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say. Insurance is a lot simpler than we think. And the reason why I say that is because I've been in the industry for 7 years now, and sometimes it can be very overwhelming learning different types of life insurance. And it all comes down to, what am I actually looking for? You know, whether it's to cover the mortgage, you know, make sure there's something left for my family, etc. So wherever the need is, we look at the budget, there's always going to be some type of solution. So just kind of breaking it down, it doesn't have to be very confusing or complicated. Just the simplicity of it makes a really big difference. So that's what I learned. Just keep it very simple and you can understand a lot of it.
Okay. Richard, what has been the most positive experience so far since you've been in the life insurance industry?
Yeah, so definitely my most positive experience was, well, of course, Shalene actually recruited me to join this company, to join the life insurance industry, to join Everest. And that's where, of course, my most positive experience have come, really. So, of course, just seeing our product in action, just hearing the testimonials from individuals that have used it and have experienced it, how we do truly make a difference in that time of need. Like, of course, we do prepare people for the time of need with our TENZing and our will prep service. With those tools, but really just seeing those testimonials from people, how we made that financial difference, of course, with the life insurance payout. But most importantly for me is definitely how we have alleviated that emotional burden. We truly do go above and beyond for our clients' families. We help them with as much as they need. I would also like to say, with the whole life insurance industry and just the insurance industry in general, just seeing those hard facts that really dismiss that misconception that people have, that really like insurance is a scam. They're going to look for every way to deny their claim. Like, I've been very blessed to work with insurance companies like Avari, who pride themselves on their ability to actually pay out claims. They're looking to pay out claims, not deny them. They're very concerned with their public image. Of course, not all insurance companies out there really are looking to do that, deny claims. Some are actually looking to help Canadians. Just do your research. Sometimes that old saying is true, though. You do get what you pay for. So, yeah, thanks so much for that question. That's a good one.
Shalene, most positive experience so far?
For me, I believe that there is just so much information out there. There's many different products, services, there's financial advisors that can help you too. And the positive thing is, as the world continues to change, we adapt. within that industry. So Everest, obviously, we take care of the final expenses. Who knew that you can get life insurance that also, brought a lot of different value, like, will preparation, concierge services, but also something simple like that, the health benefits too, or having life insurance with different investment options. It's just like, I had no idea, and knowing that there's so much that you can incorporate into it just kind of makes it a world of a difference. So it can be the main thing as life, but maybe you want to learn more about savings, debt management, looking at your finances. All of those things can kind of be combined together, and just finding the person that can help you to understand these things. I think that's a really positive impact, and everyone in this industry is really there to help educate and understand, what it's all about. So it's always been a great experience for me, to be honest with you.
Great. Last question. We're gonna end on a light note. What can you say, Richard, about Shalene?
Okay, I like this one. So yeah, it has been amazing to work with Shalene. Like I mentioned, I worked with her before, like 5 years ago when I came into the financial services industry, and I've always seen her as someone to emulate. We do have a very compatible work ethic. I think that's probably why she remembered me and kind of recruited me to join Albert Everest. But really, she's so knowledgeable with everything she does. She's dedicated. She's driven. She's really like unwavering in her approach to business in her career. So she's always wanting more for both her and her family. She's always pushing those limits. So really, she's just like truly like an inspiration, someone to emulate. And I've always seen her as a mentor throughout my career, including now. So it's been awesome.
Shalene, your turn. What can you say about Richard?
Wow, that's so nice for you to say. Thank you, Richard. That was a surprise response. For me, I have to say, within the insurance industry, because that's our topic today, we have that misconception that it's always going to be an older individual that's going to be helping you out. But when I see Richard, he's young, he's passionate, he's very genuine, and that's what we want, right? We want to be able to share this message with the younger demographic as well. And because he's also driven and motivated, having that interaction with different clients, you can really see that someone is interested. They genuinely want to help you out, and they kind of get excited at the same time, and they really understand, okay, maybe I do need this. Maybe there is something missing. And Richard and the entire team can do that, with the help of another Richard, you too, right? So it's kind of like we all work together. We're passionate about what we do. And I think that makes a world of a difference, and it gets the message across, and we'll continue to do this, and we love it.
And how long you guys been working together?
I think Richard joined about almost a year now. We've known each other for probably 5 years. He joined Everest a year ago, and we're just conquering Eastern Canada as we go.
Exactly. Yeah, officially a year now in a row. But then exactly like I mentioned before, like when I came into the financial services industry, really she was there, and we worked with each other for maybe like 4 years, I think. And then you left. And then, of course, yeah, now we're back together for a year. So it's been great.
Great. Thanks for your time, Richard and Shalene. It was nice doing this. So I like to do things different. So thank you once again for your time. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining this Q&A, the Q&A showdown, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for having us.